morning, Chapo.
Good morning, Akshika. Very good morning to everyone. Okay, children. Now I want you all of you to bring a shirt with buttons. You have to button it and unbutton it. Okay? Come on, bring a shirt. Bring your father's shirt or your shirt, whatever it may be. It should have buttons in it. Okay? Come on, bring it, and then you have to button it and you have to unbutton it. Start doing the activity. Come on. You need to note it down. Wait. And yes, Devkesh. Devkesh.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am. Have a
Yeah,
good
good. Have a good day, Kavyani. Come on, all of you, bring a shirt, button it and unbutton it. Come on.
shirt now.
Shorty.
Devkrish.
Krish ma'am का करूँगा
Button it and unbutton it, ma. Good morning, ma, Devkrish. Button it and unbutton it. Come on. Where is your shirt? Any shirt? Okay. Dashika is there, huh? Danvin. Danvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, do the activity, ma, Danvin. Dashika also do the activity, ma. Button it and unbutton it. Button your shirt and unbutton your shirt. One by one, I'll call you children because I'm noting it down, and in between, if you call me, I'll not know. Please, okay? Darshika, do it, ma. Danvin, where is it, ma'am? Siddharth is doing, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Buttoning and unbuttoning, both.
Good morning, ma'am. Danvi.
Yeah, do it, ma, Danvin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Nukshita.
Good morning, ma'am. Good
Yeah, good
morning,
morning, ma,
ma'am. Good
Devkesh.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kartikeyan. Do the activity, children. Come on.
Ma'am, what activity, ma'am?
Buttoning and unbuttoning. Have to bring a shirt, button it, and then you have to remove that button, unbutton it. Yeah, very good, Darshika. Darshika, you can get help from your mama. You can ask her how to do. Very good. Good, good. Now unbutton it. I'm noting. Darshika, another activity is also is pending for you, Darshika.
Ma'am,
That lacing activity.
ma'am,
What
Danvi.
activity, ma'am?
We did a lacing activity last week, I think. That
Ma'am,
activity, I
Danvi.
didn't note it down for Darshika. I think she was absent on that day.
Yeah, Friday.
Appuntalle kada remove pannu.
Okay. Then do it, ma.
Yeah, yes, button it, ma'am, and he's going to unbutton it now, ma'am.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Good. Dave Krish, have you done? How many of you have finished? Satvika,
Doing, ma'am.
doing, do. Zedi finished,
No, ma'am.
Okay. Mithila, Rohita, Kavya. Yeah, good, ma, Dhanvan.
Thank you.
Correct, good.
Not
Yeah,
ma'am.
next. Farnaz, good morning, Farnaz. Buttoning and unbuttoning activity, ma. Bring your shirt, bring any shirt. You have to button it and you have to unbutton it.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who are finished can call me. Lakshana, good morning, ma, Lakshana.
குட் மார்னிங் சொல்லு அவங்க மேமே சொல்றாங்க நீ சொல்ல
Anyone has finished the activity? Finished, Zedi.
Yes, ma'am.
Buttoning and unbuttoning both. Kavyani also, va? Very good. I'll note. Yeah, I'll note it down. Kavyani and Zedi. Kavyani, both the activity you are doing, buttoning and unbuttoning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good, ma. Very good. Finished. Ritvik, what are you doing, Ritvik?
Yeah,
Devdrit. Have you done it, Devdrit?
No, ma'am.
Come on, do
Buttoning,
it.
ma'am.
Yeah, you can teach him how to do. First you teach him and then let them do it. Lakshana, did the activity, ma?
என்ன ஆக்டிவிட்டி மேம்
Buttoning, unbuttoning. Button போடணும் அப்புறம் பட்டனை ரிமூவ் பண்ணணும்.
சரி சரி ஓகே மேம்
Janavi, Rohita, Nukshita.
Rohita, button it finish, ma'am. Unbuttoning should do it.
Okay, good.
நித்திலா ஃபினிஷ் மேம்
Finished both the activity, yeah. One minute, I'll note it. Nitila also, I have a pending observation that lacing activity.
ஓகே
He is
மேம்
doing that,
டுடே ஐ சென்ட் இட் வீடியோ மேம்
Yeah, good. Thank you. What, ma, Janavi? Is it very difficult?
Vanilla, ma'am. Another activity. Which one?
Ma'am,
A
finished.
glazing activity.
Ma'am, Pranita finished.
Last week we did, you can say, I think we did it on Friday, I think.
One more.
Rohita, often, ma'am.
Yeah, I know that. That's what. I didn't note for her also. Rohita, Tilakar and all, I didn't note it down. Pranita also. Diction also. Diction is there today?
What activity, ma'am?
That activity, yeah, I'll tell you. Once I finish this, I will once again tell you the activity. Because that material I don't have now, I have to go and bring it. I'll bring it and I'll tell you. Yeah, very good. Very good, ma, Siddharth. I've noted down Siddharth. Pranita is doing the activity. Yeah, what are you doing, Pranita? Instead of doing the activity, what are you doing? Finished. Ritvik's mom, how is he doing? Both the activity, buttoning and unbuttoning.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes?
Pranita finished.
Okay, ma, Pranita.
He's doing fine, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Then I'll note it down. Nitek, Hashini. Why Hashini and all very silent? I'm not able to see.
This is Mama.
Rohita, I have marked you, Rohita.
Ma'am.
Rohita, finish, ma'am.
Yeah, I marked her.
Mama, do it.
Yeah, do it. Dev Krish finished, Yes, sir. Good. Nitik also finished, Very good, Nitik. Kartikeyan, Jahnavi, Farnaz, Dikshan.
But she's making late.
Getting late, okay. Unbuttoning only,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Hashini, Dikshan.
Ma'am, Farnas finished.
She's doing both the activity properly, buttoning and unbuttoning. Yeah,
Buttoning should be unbuttoning.
it's okay. Okay.
Hasni couldn't do that.
Buttoning also,
Yes, buttoning.
Why, Hashni? Come on, learn it from your dad. You wear the shirt first. Wear it. Put on that shirt and then you try it. It will be easy for you.
Oh, okay, ma'am. We'll try that.
Yeah. First, you teach her how to button it.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, Nukshita, I noted you down, ma. Very good, Nukshita.
Button finish, ma'am. Another activity?
That is a lacing activity. Yeah, I'll tell you. After this activity, I'll tell you though, because many of them were absent on that day. No, I'll tell you once again.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Nukshita did, I think, that lacing activity. N. Through the thread she did, no? I've noted down for Nukshita.
Ma'am, my button.
Very good, Dikshan. Good boy, Dikshan. Hashni, I didn't note it down, Hashni. You have to do it and then only you have to tell me. Pranita, good, I saw yours. Darshika, did that? Kartikeyan, good ma. Good, Kartikeyan. Vivan is there. Mithila. Vivan.
Everyone is doing, ma'am.
Doing, okay, then I'll note it down. Tarnika, Vidyut, Satvika. Tarnika is absent here. Tarnika.
சொல்லு கூப்பிட்டு.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Very good, Lakshana. I'll note you down. Very good. Tarnika.
Yes.
Finish,
Did you finish the activity?
Hey, don't.
Buttoned, ma'am. No, unbuttoned. Unbuttoned பண்ணு.
Yeah, unbutton.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Vishank is there? Vishank and Darshika. Darshika. Lakshana, mute yourself, Lakshana. Darshika, you did it correctly, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is pending now? Only Vishank. 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 Not yet joined, Vishank. Okay.
Ma'am, there is absent, ma'am.
Huh?
There is absent, ma'am.
Who was absent on Friday? Okay, children, get ready for the Kartikeyan. Okay, no issues, Kartikeyan. We'll tell you what to do, okay? Darshika.
My name is Rishika. I am studying in 4 years old.
Darshika, I want you to attend the class without fail, Darshika, okay? Okay? Okay, good. Devarakshita. Devkrish.
My name is Davis. I am studying in 4 years old.
Danvin.
My name is Danita. I am in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Okay, Dikshan.
My name is Sujata. I am 4 years old.
Parnaz. Lakshana, mute yourself, Lakshana. I saw yours. Please mute yourself, Lakshana. Parnaz.
Unani ma'am, I am a Farnaz Fatma. I am studying Junior KG.
Hashini.
Please ask me. I am studying in Junior KG. I am 4 years old. I am teacher.
Hey, Hashini, is this Hashini? Okay, Janavi. Lakshana, mute yourself, Lakshana, please, Lakshana. Mute yourself. Ask your mama to mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Kartikeyan.
Kartikeyan. My name is Kartikeyan. I'm going to talk about
Okay, Kavyani.
Here I am,
Kavyani.
Manila ma'am. My name is Kavi Ali. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 44. I'm Kizzy girl.
Okay, Naitek.
My name is Rajika. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Nukshita. Fast children, come on, Nukshita. Nukshita. I'm marking you, Nukshita. Pranita.
My name is Nuchita. I'm studying junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Yeah, good. Pranita.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am 4 years old. I am studying in junior KG.
Rohita.
My name is Madam. I'm junior KG and KG.
Ritvik. Ritvik.
My name is Najib. I am studying in junior KG. I am KG. Bye.
Mithila.
My name is Stella. I study junior KG. I am a KG girl.
Okay, Satvika. Satvika. Satvika is absent. Siddharth.
My name is Sarah. I am studying in junior KG. 4 years old. Good morning.
Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Tilakar. Ishank.
Say good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
My name is Vishal.
Good morning, ma'am.
My name is Vishal.
My name is Sushank.
I'm studying in junior.
I'm studying in Tunisia.
You've come to the end of the year. Still, your daddy is guiding you to say, "My name is Vishank. My name is Vishank." Why?
No,
Why
he
were
was
you
saying.
absent?
No, he was saying, ma'am. All this time he was saying.
Okay.
When you
When I
asked
called him, he just stopped it. Okay, no issues. Okay, Vishank, why you didn't attend the classes today? What happened?
issues. Had some laptop issues.
What happened? Come on, tell me.
Had some laptop issue.
Thinking, ah.
Had some laptop issue.
Had some
Laptop.
laptop issue.
Laptop issue, ah. Okay. Vivan.
My name is Vimal. I'm 23. My phone I did.
What? Your mama didn't give you charge today, wa? Battery down. Vidyut. Zeddy.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Jyoti. I'm 1 years old. I am studying junior KG.
Lakshana. Yeah, good, ma. Lakshana.
Kichigal.
Good. Lakshana. Lakshana. When I call Lakshana, you are not answering. What to do? Okay, children, I want you to take your rhymes book. Come on, bring your rhymes book, all of you. Page number 12. Page number 12. This rhyme. Miss Foley had a dolly. All of you have dolls, right? Everyone is having dolls in your home. Come on, bring any doll. I don't want any car, truck and all. Doll. It should be a doll. Can be an animal doll,
No, ma'am. This
girl puppet, boy puppet, whatever it is. But I don't want any transport toys and all. Should be a doll. Yeah, very good, Rohita. Any doll if you have, you can bring it. Those who have, you can bring it. Yes, very good, Zeddy, good. Rohita, good. See, the girl is having a doll here, you can see. Like this doll, if you have, you can bring. Barbie doll, Zeddy, very beautiful, Zeddy. Come on, bring it. It can be a teddy bear. It can be a Barbie doll. Any doll. Yeah, 2 dolls. I don't have one, but you are having 2 dolls, Vivan. Give one doll to ma'am. Did you
Ma'am,
give
take
one
it,
for
banana.
ma'am? Yeah, take it. Thank you so much, Vivan. ஏதாவது ஒரு டால் கொண்டு வந்து கொடுங்க டால். Nikila, you can use only one doll. Only one is enough. Either panda or that rabbit. Any soft toys. A new rhyme we are going to learn. Okay. Wow, minion, that much bigger this week. Okay, children. Shall we start the rhyme? The name of the rhyme is Miss Polly had a dolly. She is Miss Polly. You can see the girl here. She is Miss Polly and she is having a dolly in her hand. And shall we see what happened to this dolly? Miss Polly had a dolly that was sick, sick, sick. So she called up the doctor to be quick, quick, quick. The doctor came along with this bag and hat, and he knocked at the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head, and he told Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, 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 and was back next morning for his bill, bill, bill. Okay, what happened here, you know? This dolly, no, it fell sick. Okay, so what did Miss Polly did? She called the doctor. Okay, and the doctor, how did he come? He came along with his bag and hat. And what did he do? He knocked at the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. Okay, and afterwards what the doctor did? He looked at the dolly. All of you look at your dolly like this and shook your head. Shook your head is you have to shake your head like this. No, like that. Okay, he looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. If you are sick, what will you do? You will be sitting like this, you will be playing. No, right? You'll be lying on the bed, right? Likewise, the doctor is also advising Polly to put the dolly straight to bed. Okay? He told Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, pill, pill. What is a pill? Medical prescription. Whenever you go and visit a doctor, the doctor will give you, write and give you some medicines, right? That is the pill. Okay, he wrote on a paper for a pill, 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 and was back next morning for his bill, bill, bill. Bill is the money. Okay, he didn't get his fee, so he came next morning for his bill. And now I want all of you to take your pencil in your hand. And we are going to circle the rhyming words here, children. Okay, one more time we'll sing the rhyme, and then we are going to circle the rhyming words. Miss Polly had a dolly that was sick, sick, sick. So she called up the doctor to be quick, quick, quick. The doctor came along with this bag and hat, and he knocked at the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, 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 and was back next morning for his bill, bill, bill. Okay? Now come on, take your pencil. Polly. First is Polly. We'll have here. Polly here. Circle the word Polly. 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 Check whether I have the pen. First is Polly. Here you have. Okay, and what is the rhyming word for Polly? Polly?
Dolly.
Dolly. Very good. Dolly.
Dolly,
D-O-L-L-Y.
Dolly.
Yeah, Dolly. D-O-L-L-Y. Dolly. Okay. Then
Sick, ma'am.
sick, sick, sick. And what will be the rhyming word? Sick.
Quick.
See, you have to check out with the ending word, children. Ending word is sick. You have CK. Sick, sick, sick. What will be the rhyming word? Quick, quick, quick. It also ends with CK. See here. Quick, quick, quick.
Quick.
And then
Rat.
hat. H-A-T, hat. What will be the rhyming word?
Rat, tat.
Tat. T-A-T, tat.
Rat.
Mm. Mm.
Dolly Polly,
And then
Rohitasna.
next word. Who is going to find out?
చెప్తానులే ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి
Pill. P-I-L-L, pill. Yeah, P-I-L-L, pill. Which will be the rhyming word?
బిల్
Rohita's mom, don't teach them. Let them think and answer. Bill. You have to guide them. See the ending word. ILL. Next you find out where you have that ILL word. Like that you have to guide them. Please don't straight away tell them the answer.
ఓకే మ్యామ్ షీ ఆల్రెడీ సర్కిల్
Did
మ్యామ్
okay.
సర్కిల్ మ్యామ్
Okay, very good children. And then now circle the word and. And what is the spelling for and? And. Dashika, what is the spelling for and? And.
While okay, pencil.
Dashika. Yeah, very good, Nukshita. And. Where is Darshika? Darshika, if you don't know the answer, you have to straight away unmute yourself and tell me that I don't know, ma'am. Please, children, don't be quiet. Answer whether you know that or you don't know that. I'll guide you, okay? Don't feel shy for that. All are your friends only, right? Yes, Darshika. What is the spelling for and?
D.
And very good. And then had. 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 Dave Krish, what is the spelling for had?
Spelling for had.
Had. Find it out and tell me what is the spelling for had.
Ma'am, H-E-A-D, ma'am.
Are you Dave Krish? Are you Dave Krish? Baby, are you Dave Krish?
No, he's not.
Dave Krish, I'm asking you answer. What is the spelling for had?
Search where is had, man.
Miss Polly had a dolly. H-A-T, hat. I didn't ask you hat. I asked for had. Had.
Ma'am, finish.
Very good. Tell me. Very good. Had. Okay. Next is that. It will start with the digraph th. Th at that. That. Diction, where is the word that? Spell it.
C. The.
Huh? Isma?
E. Yes.
That. You are showing me Dolly. I asked you that. The, at, that. Good. Circle it. T.
Ma'am, JD could not identify, ma'am.
Yeah, when you listen only, you'll identify. You are keeping on playing means how will you identify ZD? Come on, listen. That. T-H-A-T. That. See, your friends are repeating, no? They're spelling it out. You have to listen to the spelling and you have to do it. Concentrate. Focus. T-H-A-T. That. Circle. Phonics, diagrams and all, if you remember only, you will learn the words. Then how will you learn? Okay, next word is up. Hashini. Up. Hashini, button your dress, Hashini. It's falling down, see.
Okay, ma'am.
Up. What's the spelling for up?
Up spelling. What is the spelling for up?
Up.
Spelling. What is the spelling?
Up.
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 You.
Where is it?
You.
So she called up the doctor. Up. Who found out? Up.
Sanat, ma'am.
Where is up, Parna? Spell it out.
Parnas up எங்க இருக்கு சொல்லு சொல்லு up up spelling சொல்லுங்க
Spell it.
Okay.
UP, up. Very good. Next is she. She. It starts with the digraph. She. Nitila, where is she? She. Ready? Look at the screen. Focus. Ready?
see spell
She.
பண்ணுங்க சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க
Mm. E. She. Very good, Nitila. She. Very good. Next is so. Janavi. So. So. What is the spelling for so? Are you circling it, Janavi? So, where is the word so? Circle in your book. So she called up the doctor. Janavi, making fun of Mama. Come on, circle the word so.
So.
Huh?
Yes, so.
Very good, Janavi. S-O, so. It's here. S-O, so. Here. Ready? If you don't know, you can see here and you can circle. So.
Yes, ma'am. So and she circled, ma'am.
Okay, good. Next is the.
Not circled.
The. Kavyani, spelling for the.
T-H-E. The.
Very good, Kavyani. High five, Akana. Very good. Superb. Circle the word the. Here. T-H-E, the. If you don't know, look at the screen, children. Those who don't know. Many of you will know. If you don't know, look at the screen. Next is B. B. What is the spelling for B? I want Dhanvan to answer. B. B means B only, ah? B means B தானா? என்ன spelling சொல்லுங்க. Spell it out.
B.
B-E-B. Very good. Hashmi finished B.
எங்க இருக்கு கண்டுபிடி.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, next is with. With. It starts with the letter with. V. Find out. With. Who is first finding it out? Let me see. With. Jahnavi, if you play like this, Jahnavi, then you will never learn, Jahnavi. It's going to be very difficult for you in senior KG.
Ma'am, Danvin.
Very good, Danvin. With. 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 Children, be independent all the time. Don't expect your parents to guide you. You yourself can do this activity. You need not go for any help with your parents. You can just find out sitting in one place. If you have doubts, you can ask me. You need not run around your parents for this. If they ask you for any materials, you can go and ask them. Writing and all, you can do it on your own itself, right? Writing, circling, matching and all. You've all grown up, right? Next year, you're going to go to senior KG, all of you. With, finished, WITH, with. Zeddy, with is here. With. Did you circle it, Zeddy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
good.
Circle, ma'am.
Next is his. Her is his. Her is his. Where is his, Kavyani? Her is his.
Huh. Huh.
HIP.
Very good, Kavyani's dad. Told her the whole spelling, Very bad parents. Not at all obeying me. Always guiding your children. Then how will they think? His, her is his. Let the work be difficult. When they find the difficulty only, they will learn. If you keep on guiding them, then how will they take that risk and all?
Yeah, okay.
Very good, Nukshita.
Yes.
His. Very good, Nukshita. Okay, next is bag. Bag, bag. Bag, bag. Kartikeyan. Bag, bag. Kartikeyan.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Bag, bag. What happened, Ma Kartikeyan? Look at ma'am.
Ma'am, he is crying, madam.
Why? Why, ma? Why are you crying, Kartikeyan? You tell ma'am, why are you crying? Who made you to cry? So, not feeling well,
Yeah, he is little bit, he's not feeling well, ma'am.
Okay, where is your mom, Kartikeyan?
Yeah, she's here.
Why is he crying and you are not next to him, ma?
No, ma'am. He's not finding out, ma'am. That's why.
That's what I'm guiding you, Kartikeyan. If you don't know, you call ma'am. Ma'am, I don't know where is it. You can very well ask me. I'm not going to say anything. That is what I'm requesting all children. Instead of asking your parents, you ask me. I am ready to help you. Bag, bag. It starts with the letter B. See, everything you have to keep your finger like this and you have to check whether the letter is starting with B. And when you find that B word, you see whether it is bag, bag. Bag, bag. Should not cry for that. When you take some difficulty only, you will find that word. Come on, do it. You can do it. Do it. Very good, ma. That's my boy. Bag, bag. Here. Yeah. Bag. B-A-G, bag. Very good. Some children you will find it very easy. Some children you will find it some difficulty in that. No issues. Take your own time. We are doing it slowly only.
Ma, எல்லாமே எண்ணும்.
Very good, ma Siddharth.
Thank you, ma.
Bag. Okay, ma. Then finish the bag. Next is rat. 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 Okay, better I'll write the word. Wait 1 minute. My children are feeling very difficult to identify. I'm going to write the word here. Come on. Rat. Find this word. Rat. Look at the screen. Find the word and now you can circle it very easily. Those are finding it difficult. Rat. At. See here. At. Rat.
Ma'am, Janvi is not yet writing, ma'am.
That's what. Why, Jahnavi? Jahnavi.
Right, ma'am.
What you are doing? I'm watching you from here for a long time. You are sitting simply. Yeah. You are running around your mama. You are sitting simply. You are not doing anything. Next year, when you go to senior KG, you are going to find it very difficult, you see. Rat.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is next. Shall we go to next? Bed. 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 It's not bed. It is bed. Bed.
Dear. Oh. Ma, இத கட்டு.
ஆமா.
இப்படி இருக்கு. Ma, இப்படி இருக்குமா?
மேம் திருப்பாங்க வெயிட் பண்ணு.
I don't know something. I have problem with my screen. Bed.
Bed.
Next is bill.
Bill. B-I-L-L. Bill.
Bill. Bill. Bill. Bill. B-I-L-L. Bill. Last line you will see bill. B-I-L-L. Bill. Next is for. F-O-R. For. Or for. Or for. Or for. Karthikeyan, is it easy now? Is it easy for you now to
No, ma'am.
underline? Or for.
Search பண்ணுங்க.
Search. That's it.
Mom.
Yes, ma.
This,
For. F-O-R. For. Finished, huh?
thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.
I'm going to show it to ma'am. I want Siddharth to communicate in English.
I don't know, ma'am.
What you don't know, ma'am? Who said you don't know? Zadia. F-O-R. For. FOR for. I have some issues with my mobile, so I was not able to present you. Sorry.
Correct. Ma'am, this is correct, ma'am.
Correct, ma. Very good, ma, Siddharth. You're such a sweet boy. Yeah, good, ma, Dhanvin. Very good. Whenever they get time, you can take this rhymes book and you. Yes, children. Silence, children. First, mute yourself, everyone. Whenever you find time, parents, okay, you give them the rhymes book. Let them find the words, whatever they know. Okay, when you give them the notebook and when you ask them to read, they will not read. When you show them the word and when you teach them, they will not read. You just give them the book and then you ask them what are all the words you know. Here also you have the family rhyme. In this also you have more words here which they know already. And they will try to find out new words also. So please always when you want them to learn, don't straight away tell them, ida padi, don't say like that. Give them activity based learning. Okay, then only they will learn. Either you can teach it through mobile or else you can give them books. Whatever books you are learning also you can show them, you can ask them what are the words you know. Guide them in that way. Don't tell them straight away, ma'am, இதை சொன்னாங்க இதை படி. CAT cat padi, BAT bat padi. No, it will not at all reach them. When you give them activity like this only, they will learn. Okay, thank you. And next I want you to take the workbook number 3. Worksheet number is 122 MT.
Ma'am, Rohita storytelling undi, ma'am.
Yeah. We'll finish this worksheet and then we'll move on to the story.
Okay, ma'am. She forgot the job.
Yeah, today one worksheet also we didn't finish, so we'll finish this. I took a long time for this rhyme, sorry.
Which page number, ma'am?
122 MT. First, from 91 to 100, you are going to write. That's it. Coloring, you can do it afterwards. You write in the inside the flowers from 91 to 100. That's it. Fatafat, finish it, everyone, very fast. Tak, you have to write. Here you have the numbers also given below. You can look at it and you can write. I take worksheet number is 122 MT. It's in workbook number 3. Kavyani, finish the activity. Why are you doing it now? Start writing. Today's story time. Hashini is ready, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hashini, Rohita, and then who? Darshika, yesterday you didn't say the story. Today, are you ready, Darshika? Darshika. What is Darshika doing? Darshika. Finish till 91 to 100. Yes, Darshika.
Number
122 MT.
122 MT.
Mute yourself, Pranita. 1 minute, I'll speak with Darshika's mom and I'll be right back. Yes, Darshika's mom.
Storytelling she'll do tomorrow, ma'am. I didn't prepare it.
Sorry?
Storytelling.
Is there any issues with your audio? Or you can hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, ma'am.
I am not able to hear. Yeah, tell me, Darshika's mom.
Yes, storytelling she'll do tomorrow, ma'am.
You are not able to hear. Can you please message me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you please message me after the session. We'll see. Because I'm not able to hear you. Sorry for that. Very good, Dhanvin. Afterwards, you can color, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Good boy.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Farnas. Farnas, good.
Okay.
Karthik finished. Is it?
Yesterday itself we finished.
Very bad boy. I didn't tell you to do that worksheet. Why did you do it? Good. Very good.
Finished.
Siddharth, good. Very good. That's it. Phonics worksheet, we didn't do it till now. I'll tell you how to do. And many of them have some worksheets and many of them, they don't have that worksheet. I'll send you the soft copy, okay? You can do it through mobile. Today or tomorrow, I'll send you.
Okay.
The new version worksheet, those who have it, you do it in your book. Those who don't have that new version worksheets, no, I'll send you through WhatsApp today. Okay, you do the old version also that is given in the book, and the new version also you do it through mobile. Both the sheets you do it. Those who have the new version, no issues, you do it straight away in your book.
Ma'am, that was finished.
Very good, ma Devkrish. Come on, Rohita, get ready for your story.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are finished, keep your books aside, be ready for the story. Get ready to listen to the story.
Ma'am,
My name
Very
is
good.
my name is Saitan Forest Solange.
Aditya. I'm. Hi, this is Rohit.
Afternoon.
I'm telling the lion and their story. Once upon a time, the lion.
Ma'am, visible, ma'am.
Visible only, but where is a toy?
A toy kuda and a PDF also I'm doing, ma'am.
Once upon a time, the
You want to show me the PDF, you can show. No issues, you can present it, you can show the toy.
Okay, no, ma'am.
lion is sleeping.
You can show, you have the PDF, you have the PPT,
It's him.
PPT or PDF, whatever you have, you can present it. You have it,
PDF not presenting,
PDF you are having it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can present it, you can go for present now. Share screen.
Mom, what's the story today?
New story చెప్పమ్మా. Ma'am, Rohita story telling, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma, no continue, ma. Once upon a time, mother.
Once upon a time, there lived a lion and a man. And a lion is sleeping. And man come with wake up with lion. And lion with and lion eat and lion.
What happened? Lion. Lion got very angry, right?
Sleeping and now to come with wake up. And lion was catching the lion.
No, lion catch the mouse.
And lion catch the mouse.
I'm going to say.
And go with the kill. And mouse is run away.
No, mouse requested to forgive me.
And mouse is requested to pray.
After some
After Sunday, the lion was sleeping. And lion is catch the nut. And mouse come to cut the nut. With his teeth, the lion will free.
lion tank.
And lion came to mouse.
Do
good, have good. Finish.
Very good. Do good, have good. Very good.
Ma'am, PDF
In
presenting
your
will
own words.
PDF. And she telling all,
Yeah,
ma'am.
very good. That's
Not much
good.
effort, ma'am. Ma'am,
Very
PDF
good,
presenting not visible, ma'am.
Not visible. It's not visible. You have to present it, then only it will be visible.
Start just on, ma'am, by my mistake.
Your mistake?
You have to go to present now will be there. You will see an arrow mark there. You have to press it and then you have to give share screen and then you have to click the screen, give share. Then
Share.
only others can see.
Ma'am, share. Okay, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. Now, ma'am.
Share if you click only we can see. Yeah. Now only
Now-
it's visible. Yeah,
now
yeah. Yeah, it's visible.
Oh.
That's now.
మ్యామ్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పించమంటారా మ్యామ్ ఇట్స్ ఓకే
Yeah, Rohita, come on, look at the pictures.
Rohita, Mali check. Once upon a time.
Once upon a time, there lived one mountain lion.
Once upon a time, they lived.
Once upon a time, there lived a lion and a mouse. And lion was sleeping. And mouse began to wake up with lion. And lioness,
Go up, Rohita, small.
and lion was sleeping.
Scroll it up.
And lion was sleeping. And lion waking up. And lion
Wake up
wake up
and catch.
and catch a mountain formation. And mountains run away. What can you see here?
The mouse requested
And your most requested forgiven us. A mountains run away.
the lion let him go.
A lion let it go. One day, after some day, a lion heard the net and catch it. And lioness catching the lion.
The lion caught in the net. Then
And mouse can't catch.
okay, it's correct only.
And lion was free.
Sweet. They both became friends. Do good, have good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Okay, next, Hasni.
Actually, she prepared that her animals though. She playing and
Okay.
she won't preparing, ma'am. That's why.
Okay, no issues. Good only. Very good, Rohita. Well done.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
She want to. She don't my support. She won't.
Okay, now you have to give stop presenting. Then only that your file will go. Hashini is ready.
Wait, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Hashini, ma'am. Tell the story, ma'am. You are the ma'am today. You are going to say the story today. Why are you laughing for that?
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yeah. Now only you are sharing. Wait.
My name is.
Wait, ma. It's not visible. Your screen is not visible, but you have joined. I don't know why your screen is not visible. Yeah, now it's visible. The monkey and the caterpillar. Wow.
My name is Asini. I am going to talk about to tell a story. This was a summer day. The caterpillar was very tired and slept and eat their food and slept under the tree. Listen, many monkeys on the tree. They come. They came down and took it hat and climbing the tree. Caterpillar woke up and saw monkey's hat wearing the cats. And Caterpillar shouted at the monkeys. And then the monkeys and cats. Cats. And Caterpillar took it an idea. It got an idea. And Caterpillar took it hat and threw it down. And monkey's son took it hat and threw it down. And Caterpillar and the carrot and happily took it happily. When answer happily. Thank you.
Wisdom is the right use of knowledge.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Mahashini. Well done. I think your father taught you something and you expressed it in your own words, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, I can find it out. Very good. Very good. Children, clap hands for Hashni and Rohita. Come on, everyone. Yeah, very good, and thank you so much, Hashni and Rohita. Thanks for your presentation also. It was